Good morning. It is Wednesday, April 22nd, and it is time for math. Today we're going to start a new chapter. We're going to be in chapter 10, section 1, and what we're going to be doing is writing some equations of 10 and higher. We have done simple math equations for 1 through 10, but now we're going to be working higher. So what your page will look like, you will have a blank 10 frame up at the top. And we're going to be using counters to show a certain number. And then we're going to write the equation right underneath our counter. So what your page says is fill in your 10 frame with 10. So you're going to first start with a blank 10 frame. And you're going to put 10 counters in. How do you know when you've got 10? When it's full. You know that when you have a 10 frame and it's full, we have 10. So I've done my 10. So I know I have 10 up here. So I wrote 10 plus blank equals blank. I need to figure out what two numbers go here. So the page tells me that I can put any number of additional counters 1 through 3. Well, I wanted to make it tough because I know that you all are ready for some challenging problems. So I added 3 random counters at the bottom. So I'm going to fill out the first section of my equation, my unknown, with my number of counters that I've added. So I know that I have 10 in my 10 frame, so that's right there. Then remember, we're going to add, we're going to put some things together when we see that. That's the plus sign or addition sign. I'm going to add these 3 random ones right here. So now I've got 10 plus 3. So now I need to figure out what that equals, remember? All right, so we're going to count 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10 plus 3 equals 13, and I'm going to write 13 out at the side. If you're having difficulty with your numbers, have your mom or dad make you a number line from 0 to 20. That will help you. All right, and then you can add as you go along. So 10 plus 3 equals 13, a 1 and a 3. So that's what you'll be doing today, is writing equations for 11, 12, and 13. So what you'll see as you go through your pages, this 10 frame up here is full, and there's one random block at the bottom. So the first number you would put in is 10 plus 1 equals, let's count it and see what this one is. Let's do this one together. 10, 11 equals 11. So 10 plus 1 equals 11. So write your equations, read your instructions at the bottom, and I will see you tomorrow. This is addition operations with numbers above 10.